Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Roland Tagufa. Thanks God that we are back to normal. We haven't made a video for a few days because of the big chaos that happened in Pakistan. And all social media were closed. They just opened today and it's our first day of making a video after the events. Guys, our topic for today is about stairs, and we have already completed our topic about roof, and now we're moving into a next chapter of our tutorial. And guys, before we continue, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now guys, my Revit is open, and first what I will do is we're going to create a new project. I'll select this new, and in our project template, I'm going to select this metric architectural templates and then create new project and then OK. Now next that I'm going to do guys is I'm going to set our unit. I'll type UN, and then in this length row format, I will click this and change the unit into meters, and then select 2 decimal places, then OK, and then OK. Now next that we're gonna do guys is I'm going to set our elevations. So I will set our elevations. I'll go to this south, and double click this elevation south, and then now this elevation south is open. And now what I'm going to do is I just select this one, and then I go to create similar, and I'm going to pick these pick lines and make an offset of 4 meters, and then I just place my mouse here, and then do another level, and then 4th level and 5th level, and then I hit this escape twice, and then now next I'm going back to our level 1. And in level 1, I'm going to create our floor. I just click this floor, and I will adopt this default generic 150. And then I'm going to make a rectangle floor. And then don't mind any size, just make a floor. And then let's finish this. Finish edit mode. Then next, I'm going to set our underlay. I'll set our underlay, and then in underlay range base level, this none, I'll change it into level 1, and then level 2, and then I'll look up, and then apply. And then next that I will do is I'm going to create another floor, and in another floor, I will just change this level into level 2. And then again, I'm going to create a rectangle, and then just a rectangle like this and finish it. Now guys, now we're gonna make our stairs. So in architecture tab, I'll click this architecture tab, and in this ribbon tab, we have this stairs. Stairs is a system family. I click this stairs. And before we start your project guys, you should be familiar with the basic rules. You need to review the parameters that drive the geometry. And then always guys, check instance parameter in the property palette when you're creating a new stairs. What are they in our instance parameter properties, we have this base level, level 1. And then there is also base offset. And we have also this top level, level 2. And we have also this top offset in level 2. And then next we have this desired number of risers, and then actual number of rises, and then we have this riser height, and we have this actual thread depth. So these are all the components of our stairs. We have all of this. This is for the run. So now guys, there is also a rule that when we create, just observe, I'm going to create a new stairs. I'll just click and adopt this straight. We have this, you see, in our modify create stairs, we have these components. We have this run, and we have this straight. We have this circular or spiral. We have this center end spiral. We have this L shape, and we have this U shape, and we also have this edit or sketch. We will do all of these things into our tutorial. So next, we're gonna make just a simple stairs. We'll make this simple stairs. I'll just select this run, and then select this straight. We will make a straight. I'll just make it straight. You see guys, if I will make, so I'll just drag this. When I'm dragging it, you can see I'm dragging it. There is a number of risers. I have this, when I drag it down, see it's increasing 16, 17 risers, 18 risers, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have overall 22 risers, and then I click it here outside. So next, guys, I want you to be familiar with all of these properties who have this base level. Imagine guys, if I'm going to change this base level, I'll make a base offset of, let's say, 0.30. This desired number will not change, but these risers will change. So I make it 0.30, and then I hit this apply, and you see the desired number is still the same, and this actual riser height is changing. And our also this our plant templates is not also changing. This is also the same. The same space we have, it's not changing also. Only the one that is changing is the riser height. And again, if I'm going to change this top offset, I'm going to make a top offset of, let's say, negative 0.30, and then apply. Now still the same. This 0.22 and this actual height riser is equivalent. It is also changing. What is the meaning? It means to say that all of this total minus all of this base offset that we have placed, it is equal to numbers of desired numbers divided by this all total height will be divided into actual risers, and it will become the total number of risers. It's not changing, only the riser's height is changing. So guys, if we're gonna finish this, what you can see is like this. In 3D, I'll show you in 3D. Now here, again, I'll click this and change this direction. Click it like that, and in our 3D, it is like this. See, this one is up of 0.30, and this one is down of 0.30. Then again, guys, to make you more familiarized with this, what are the Okay guys, as you have seen here in our drawing, this base offset and top offset is adjusted. What I am emphasizing here is that the overall height determined by the base and top level, this object will be equally divided into risers. Because of this, stairs remains associated with this datum object if the datum object are adjusted or the offset are redefined. The stairs will be automatically adjusted the calculation rules. This means that if the object reduces, the risers count will remain, but each risers will be shorter. In other words, the footprints or plan of the stairs will remain unchanged. Just as you can see here in plan, footprints is remain the same. It not changed. Only the height changed, and this total heights divides the risers, and that is our total. Also, the total risers will not change also. Okay guys, that's what the meaning. We need to be familiar with this rules of the stairs. Now guys, again, let's continue our discussions about this basic rules of the stairs. Again, we'll go back. I'll just click this stairs. I'll click this stairs, and then I'll go to this edit stairs. And then there is also an additional simple rules that some of our client or agencies required. They require these stair calculations. These stair calculations, you can see that in edit type, and here we have these calculation rules. If I click this edit, you can edit these stair calculation rules. By clicking this, use stair calculations for slope calculations. I'll just click that one, and then we can edit all of these. We can do like this. We can change all of these parameters, like these rises and everything. We can change that. We will not going to change that. We will accept this default, and then okay, and then okay. And then again, another thing that we're going to discuss the main parts of the stairs. We have these main parts. I'll go to this 3D, and we have this what we call run. This is what we call run. This is run. If I click that and go to this edit type, we have these two types. We have two main parts of the run. One is our riser. This is our riser, and the other one is our thread. As you can see, if I'm going to change the profile, this thread profile we have default. We don't have a profile loaded, so there is also a profile here loaded. If we're gonna change the profile, let's see, just for a sort of discussions, I'll just select this is stair thread. I'll just apply it. It's changing. If I'll again change that one and change it into C profile, as you can see, it's changing. This is our thread. It's not correct, but the thread is coming here. That is not the thread. This is just a C shape profile. Go back to default, and again I'll go back. This is our thread. This one is landing. This one is our thread. And then again, another one component of this run is the risers. So this is what we call risers. We have a thickness of the risers of 0.012. So risers profile is also not loaded. We didn't load any profile, and we can change this also as sort of our discussion. See, I'll change this to MC shape profile, and then apply. See, it's changing. This one is changing into this steel shape C shape profile. I'll go back to this and go to the default, and then apply. Again, the things next that we're going to discuss is this one. This is this structural elements that holds the run in place. These are called stringers. This is called stringers. So if I go to this edit type, we have this what we call support. We have this support, and there is a right support, and it calls stringers, and there is also a left support that is also called stringers. This structural elements that hold this run in place have also two parts. If I'm going to click this, like I'm going to click this support, I click this, and this is stringer close. So if I'll go to this down arrow, you can see again another one, carriage open. As you can see, guys, if I'm going to click this carriage open, and this one, I'll just change this one, this lateral offset, I change it to, let's say, 0.20, and then apply. As you can see, guys, here it moves there. So the carriage goes inside. Also here I can change the other one. So that is our, this is our left and this is our right. So I'll change the other one and go to this again, this left support. I'll change this stringer close to into carriage open, and I'll make this one also 0.20, and then apply, and then okay. And then as you can see, there is our carriage. It's carrying the run. So this is our stairs. If I'm going to change this also, I'll place this one 0, and then 0, and then apply, and then I'll finish this. This is our product. And then there is another one that we need to discuss, the landing. Landing is again here. Again, we're gonna make another one. So we'll go back to these elements, level 1, and we're going to create another type of stage. And then I'll go to this run, and then run. I'll make it straight. Just make it straight like this, and then I'll make a thread of 11 risers, and then again I click it, and then again I'll go to this 1 meter, and then again I'll go this, and there we have made a landing like this. But actually we can make also a landing when we're gonna do another stage. So here, as you can see, there is again a 3D, and then again I'll just make another one, and then change this one, and then I'll just change the orientation and go back, and it is landing. It is our stage like this. So just for the sort of discussions, I go back to this, and I'm going to discuss this landing. Go to this stage and edit stage, and actually we can make a landing. Make a landing like this, and here we can make this pick 2 runs. It's like this, and also here we can make also a landing like this. If I'm going to make a landing, you see what will happen. I'll change this one, the relative height. I'll make it let's say 1.6 height, and I'll make a landing like this, and there, and just lock it, and then here As you can see in 3D, there is the landing that I have made. You can make a landing also. You can change the level of this. You can make it 1.7. Let's say 2. Right. Now there is the landing that we have created. As you can see, if you can cut this and make a separate landing for this. That is the landing that we're talking, and there is also a support. So landing landing are the transition elements between two runs. That is the meaning of the landing. So support usually takes one or two terms as referred to as this carriage and or stringers. These are all what you call carriage open and stringers open. These are all the components of stairs. This one is the landing. So it means to say that is the transition of these two. Transition of these two stairs. We have one stairs here, and the transition of that one is called landing. And we can make also a landing by sketch. Another one that I'm going to make, I'll just go with this, and again I'll go back to this level, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another type of stairs. Let's say I'm going to make a reference plane. I'll make a reference plane here, and then again I just click this, and then I'll just create similar, and I want to offset this into 1 meter here, and then 1 meter there. And then again, what I'm going to do is we're going to create another type of stairs. So I'll go to stairs again, go to stairs, and here we're gonna change the location line. Before we're only making location line at the center. Now we'll change it, and I'm going to make this run left. As you can see, if I do like this, I'll do like I'll make another 11, and then I'll click it here and make another one 11 here and there, and here. As you can see, I'll go to this check, and then we'll go back to our 3D, and there is this stairs that we have made. So here is the landing. Now what are the components? We have this run, we have this support, and we have this landing, and these are the railings. So next in our topic, we're going to discuss about railings also. Now the thing that we can do also here is like this, guys. We can make another stairs, make stairs again. I'll make stairs, just go and run it like this, and I'm going to select maybe around 11 or so. 11. Just click it again, click our left mouse, and here we can again see, we can rotate. I'll do this again, undo. Again I'll go to run, and then here, and then here I'll select 11, 11, and then I'll click it here, let's say 1 meter, and you see I can do any degrees I want. See, I can do like this. Since I am in the right, there you can do like this stairs. Now again, another type of stairs we have made. And then again, I'll go back to this level 1. The orientation is not correct. I'll just click this test and go to this flip. I'll flip it, and again, here is our test. Okay guys, that's all for today, and I see you on my next video. And guys, Firmelenge, bye bye.